In this question, you have to select the incorrect option among the following sets of examples for divergent evolution. Now, divergent evolution occurs when two or more species sharing a common ancestor evolve different traits, mainly due to different environments or selective pressure. And this process often results in homologous structures, that is, structures with similar anatomy but different functions. Now, looking into the options, option A, four limbs of man, bat, and cheetah. Now, these four limbs are homologous structures because they have originated from a common ancestor, but they have been adapted to different functions. That is, grasping in case of humans, flying in case of birds, or running in case of cheetah. Thus, it is the correct example of divergent evolution. Hence, it is incorrect option. Option B, heart of bat, man, and cheetah. Now, all mammals, including bats or humans or cheetahs, have a four-chambered heart. So, this is also an correct example of divergent evolution because the structure is similar, but they may vary in size and even efficiency of functioning across the species. Hence, it is incorrect option. Option C, eye of octopus, bat, and man. Now, the eye of octopus is an example of convergent evolution and not divergent evolution. Octopuses and mammals, whether it's bats or humans, do not share a common ancestry with the eyes of the octopus, but both have developed similar eye structure independently, just as an adaptation for vision. So, this is not an example of divergent evolution, hence, it is the correct option. Option D, brain of bat, man, and cheetah. Now, brains of mammals such as bats, man, and cheetah, they have evolved from a common ancestor, but they have adapted to different needs and complexities across the species. Thus, it is also an example of divergent evolution and hence it is incorrect.